Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Bronco. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 3-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, 4-wheel drive, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, heated front seats, keyless start. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.